Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start complete your exercise of your chapter number 5, interrogative sentences. So your first question is, change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. First, he is a renowned painter. So is he a renowned painter? And then question mark. Is he a renowned painter? Question mark. Second, they are famous sports persons. Are these famous sports persons? Then question mark. Are they famous sports person? William Wordsworth was a great poet. Was William Wordsworth a great poet? Question mark. Was William Wordsworth a great poet? Fourth, he gave her a piece of advice. Did he give her a piece of advice? Question mark. Did he give her a piece of advice? Fifth, the train departed very late. Did the train depart very late? Did the train depart very late? Question mark. Now, from 6th to 10th, this will be a homework. Do it by yourself. Okay. So, question number B is, complete the following sentences with question words given in the help list. This is the help list from where you can find the word which you have to write here. Okay. Dash pen is this. Whose pen is this? First. Dash book do you want to buy? Which book do you want to buy? Dash is your father's name. What is your father's name? Dash do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? Dash did you solve this equation? How did you solve this equation? Dash do you come late every day? Why do you come late every day? Dash will the train arrive at the station? Sorry. Yes. Dash will the train arrive at the station? When will the train arrive at the station? Dash is their residence? Where is their residence? Dash are these strangers? Who are these strangers? Dash money do you have? How much money do you have? Okay. Now, learner's drill. Write the questions. He lives in India. Does he lives in India? And then question mark. Dash. Sorry. You read a lot. So, do you read a lot? And then question mark. She cooks well. Does she cook well? She walks her dog every evening. Does she walk her dog every evening? He likes coffee. Does he like coffee? She can read English. Does she can read English? Or we can yes, we can make this modal verbs in interrogative sentences. Can she read English? You like pizza. Do you like pizza? They play football every day. Do they play football every day? And then question mark. And the end of each sentence put question mark. Okay, because this is write the questions and question ends with question mark. This is the chapter for you for today. Complete this in your textbook. Okay, thank you.